Okay, so I get a lot of people asking how I make my fake blood tears as seen in these pictures. Okay, so first things first, silicone baking pad. I got this from Target for like $8. Really good investment if you're a crafty bitch, okay? I've seen a lot of people try to make fake tears and stuff with wax paper. I tried that, it doesn't work. It might work for some people, but I've tried everything. I've tried foil, I've tried glass, I've tried wood, I've tried plastic, I've tried literally everything. The only thing that works really good is silicone. Hot glue. It don't matter what type of glue it is, just go to the Dollar Tree, get some motherfucking glue. Okay, with this process, it's gonna be a lot of trial and error, so just make like 25 of them and then pick out like 3. So basically what I'm doing here is just putting out a big glob and then kind of trailing it and then ending it. The longer tears are going to be a little bit trickier to do, but essentially you're just going to be dragging a thinner piece of hot glue. Okay, so hot glue doesn't take that long to dry, so just wait like 5 minutes. They literally just come off. And I'm pretty sure you could probably use like those silicone ice trays if you just don't feel like going out and buying this just for something as minuscule as teardrops. Because as far as I know, nothing really sticks to silicone, so that's why these come off so easily. Okay, so the next part is painting them. You don't have to paint them if you want them this color, that's fine. You know, if you want to go for that cum look and go to church with it, that's fine, sweetie, but we're gonna paint them to make them look like blood tears. And what I use is just cheap nail polish. It dries really fast. It has that really, really glossy look. So painting them might be a little bit tricky. So usually what I do here is I just get a pair of throwaway tweezers and I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of pressure down at the tip of it and then paint it. You might flip it over, you might make a mess, but it's fine. Okay, so this is what they look like dry. I would say they look pretty glossy, juicy. The third one died unfortunately, so we have these 2 left, and I'll go ahead and show you how I actually apply these to a makeup look. Welcome to my vanity. It's been a while. I don't think I filmed at my vanity for a while, okay? Okay, so basically I'm going to show you how I apply these. I'm trying to make sure I get them on the camera. These fake blood teardrops. Okay, why do I literally drop everything? Like, no matter what I grab, I will drop it. I don't know why I am so fucking... Okay, so basically eyelash glue. So I like to just... Don't go overboard with the glue, just put a pretty decent amount. Make sure to put some at the end here or else it'll stick up. I like to blow on it just like eyelashes, or else it'll slide off. And I'm just going to hold it against my skin because if you don't, it will just stick up and look really weird. See how it's sticking up right there? That's because I didn't really put enough glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and redo the glue on this one because I didn't do it right. Okay, so here is the look. Pretty basic, perfect for your sugar daddy's funeral, but I would recommend going with gold painted if you're gonna go to your sugar daddy's funeral with these. That's it.